Looking for practical skills that lead to real job opportunities? Join the Laundry Assistant course at Drumbeat Academy, where your future starts fresh. In this hands-on course, you'll learn everything from sorting and stain treatment to machine operation, ironing, folding, and hygiene standards. Perfect for working in hotels, laundromats, hospitals, or private households. You'll receive a CATHSSETA certificate that's recognized by employers in the cleaning and hospitality industries. We also help with job readiness, so you leave here prepared and employable. At Drumbeat Academy, we believe in second chances, first steps, and building real careers. No experience? No problem. We'll train you from the ground up. Get skilled, get certified, get working with a Laundry Assistant course at Drumbeat Academy. Apply today. Your clean start begins now. Head over to drumbeatacademy.co.za to learn more and sign up. You can also reach out to us directly at 012-460-9585. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.